No need to be scared, these ghost cookies are spectacularly easy to make. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So all the supplies are listed in the description. Grab your royal icing and let's outline our ghost. I'm using a 15-second royal icing, and I've got a small hole cut in my bag, and I'm just going to slowly go around the edge of this cookie and outline it, and then I'm going to flood it in. And because my icing is a 15-second consistency, I can go right up to the edge and I don't have to worry that my icing is going to overflow the outline. Halloween sugar cookie DIY kits are easy and fun and a great way for families and ghoul friends to get together and make sweet memories and show your Halloween spirit. And once you finish flooding in this ghost, just give it a little shake to settle that icing down, and if you have any air bubbles, just go ahead and pop them with a toothpick or a scribe. And once you get the icing settled down, there's a couple of ways you can decorate the face. In this instance, I'm going to use some black royal icing, and I'm just going to pipe right into that white icing and make 2 ovals for eyes. You could also use black sprinkles or even royal icing transfers. And then I let my cookie dry while I went over here and grabbed my royal icing transfer sheet of ghost faces. You can get this transfer sheet for free on my website. I'll leave a link in the description, and I just put it inside a sheet protector, and I'm just using my 15-second black royal icing, and I'm just piping in the eyes and the mouth, and then I let that dry completely before peeling it off of the sheet protector. And no hocus pocus here, just putting a little dab of royal icing on the back and attaching it to my cookie. And I could have done the same thing for the eyes, but I wanted to show you 2 different ways to make these cute little ghost faces. And there you have it, hauntingly beautiful ghost cookies that will fly right off of your dessert table. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit like and subscribe, and tell me what other frightfully fun cookies should I decorate next. Until next time, stay sweet, stay spooky, and I'll haunt you later.